Hello guys and welcome to IMS Coding. So in this today's video we are gonna discuss about what is programming and coding. So if you don't have any knowledge about it, in this today's video I'm gonna explain all the details about it, how to start coding. So without wasting any time, let's begin this video. So now let's first see what is programming. Programming is we assign a task to a computer with the help of a programming language. Now let's talk about programming language. We cannot directly say to a machine, hey, please do something for me. So in order to do that, we need a language. There are many languages available, for example Python and JavaScript. So if we want to do some tasks, then we need to learn a programming language. With the help of a programming language, we can easily write programs and give command to our machine what we want. It is just a simple explanation, but it is not that much easy. So if you really want to learn programming, then you are in the right place. In this channel you will see all about coding and programming, so please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any update whenever we upload a new video. You will see me in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.